is patient, love is kind, love is patient, love is kind, love is patient, love is kind. When I look in the mirror, the only one I see is me, oh me, the same old J. Who I am is who I'm supposed to be. And before I can love you, boy, I gotta fall in love with me. I'm goofy and I'm smart. Hey guys, so here's my hair video review of Ebin, New York's hair. I'm going to go into detail in a little bit, but just want to tell you that I achieved this look for $51.96. I bought 2 bundles of hair, both at $23.99, and then nail glue for $1.99, and bought 2 packs of that. So I'm going to show you a video of the hair that I used and then explain my whole process. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching in advance. Bye. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I did a fashion related or hair video. So here is one. I am wanting to do a review on Ebin's New York Malaysian hair. So I decided to be a little crafty today. I wanted some human hair braids, but did not want to pay a huge amount. So what I decided to do was buy hair on the weft, cut it off, and then braid it. Little did I know I would find Ebin, New York had a hair brand. I had no idea. If you're unfamiliar with Ebin, they make hair edge control. And my cousin hit me to their edge control a while ago, which you can tell I don't have any on right now because my hair is freshly washed and just has some conditioner on it. But anyway, so I got that. So far so good. I started braiding today, so I'm gonna keep going. I'll let you guys know how it's going, but right now it's very light and feels good. So I'll keep it going and let you guys know what the dealio is. So I'm still on pack 1 of the Ebin hair. It's going pretty good. I made these braids super small because I want them to last a long time, but the hair is really light and fluffy, like I said before. So I'm keeping it going. I really can't see the back, so I'm hoping it looks decent. All right, bye. Okay, so all this was done with the first bundle, the Ebin hair. So I got a lot done with just the first bundle. So this is all I have left. I'm gonna try to finish up the rest tomorrow because I'm tired. I've been braiding all day, so yeah, pretty good. Good night. So here's the finished product. It came out really good. I only used 1 full bundle and about a half of another one. So I cut the hair off the weft and I got the 18-inch. I'll put the details in the description box, but I'm really happy with the turnout. The hair is really bouncy and it looks good. So I recommend this hair, you guys. So if you want to have human hair braids, but you don't want to spend that crazy amount that they charge for the hair that's already done, already off the weft for braids, go with this Ebin New York brand. And you just cut it off yourself. You still get the same inches, 18 for me. Okay, bye.